My name is Mohamed Banji. I work for VRL Canada and I'm responsible for distribution, intermodality and e-business. So our current focus is on facilitating intermodal travel. So if you think of any customer journey, every aspect of the trip is planned by going to different websites. The focus of our project is how can we facilitate an intermodal trip. So what we have done is we have formed partnerships, in what we call intermodal partnerships with different suppliers, shuttle bus companies to take you from the airport to downtown. Then where we do not run train services, we have partnered with commuter railways, with intercity buses. So we have formed about 10 or 15 partnerships in the last 15 years. And our vision is that not particularly Canadians, but people from anywhere in the world who want to come to Canada and want to plan their trip can come to VRL's website, look at our booking engine and really plan their trip. So it's not just a booking engine, but it's more morphing into a travel search engine. So the entire focus and the purpose, raison d'etre for doing this thing is to make it easy for the customer to plan a seamless trip. And not only to plan, but also to purchase the trip, essentially to have one combined fare, one consolidated itinerary, making a single payment, but more importantly, getting one electronic ticket with a boarding pass for every segment of the trip.